guys, as you can see, is me. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Gsha_ everything, and today I'm back with another one. But yeah. So I'm in my bed editing video, and then I found that I didn't start off the video. I just went into it like that. But yeah, so now I'm making it, and I'm gonna tell you what this video is all about. And before we get to the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you guys can get notified every time when this girl drops another one. But yeah, this video is gonna be about my face routine, like what I put on my face and how I do my hair, or my hair. It's just getting ready to bed with me. Like, I already take a shower, but I'm just like, all those clips, they're all deleted. Sorry to get all the good ones. Yeah, so I'm just laying down right now, and I'm gonna edit this video and post it up. But yeah. But anyways, y'all, let's get straight to this video. Okay, guys, so I'll put a picture of this right here on the screen, somewhere right here or right here. I don't know. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I pop it up somewhere. I'm gonna pop it up in my face. So I'm gonna use this mask on my face. My face is clean and washed. It's clean. And I'll put everything. I'm gonna show everything that I use on my face. I'm gonna show everything that I use on my face to get this face looking good. Period. So I use this retinol serum. I'll put it somewhere. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. I use this one, hyaluronic acid serum on my face, and I also use vitamin C serum on my face, and I also use the vitamin C cleanser. Y'all see that I use. Yeah, and then after I use that on my face, I go in with my retinol cream, which pairs perfect with this retinol serum. Yep. And this is moisturize. It's a moisturizer, and it's 2.5% active retinol with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. So I'm using vitamin C, vitamin E, I'm using hyaluronic acid, and I'm using retinol. Yeah, so yeah, it's really good. It's yeah, so if you need to buy it, you can buy it. So it looks at the pump, there's a hole there, and you just, let's show you. It stays like this. Oops. It's sure it doesn't pop off. It smells like medication. It's like this. Screw it, and then when you need it to use, you can shake it if you want to, but you pump it and all the cream come from here. And yeah, so okay, over here, but you'll see once I'm doing this. Yeah, so yeah. I'm gonna go for my phone, so I'll be back. So I'm gonna set the timer on this phone here. Go ahead and set the timer on this phone, which is clock. And yeah, I'm gonna set the timer on my phone. But once I'm done, I'm gonna set the timer on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set music. So I'm gonna go through fast. Ooh, I wonder if it's gonna be green. See that? Hey, you see that right here? It's rude. Okay. So then this here. So it looks, I tried one first time and it was different. It wasn't, I don't know if it's gonna be different. Oh, this one. Yeah, the one that I used, it was toner. And so it goes. This eye. This one now, I'm gonna see the difference with this one. If it's the same thing or what, but it's highlight come out like this. Ooh, it's juicy. So, ooh. It is soaking wet. So like, rub some of hers. Oh, it's cold. So cold. Okay. So I open it. Just make it don't drip, drip, drip. It's weird. It's this one is like weird. Weird, weird, weird. Okay. Where's the oh, this is the eye and this is the mouth. So it said you can put any side on your face. And I think this side is supposed to be on my face. I think this side first. I look a little crazy, you know? Supposed to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So maybe 15 minutes, cause baby, I can't stay this long with this in my face. Yes, yes, I'm coming. Give me a minute, people. Yeah, this is some music. While I'm letting it stay for a minute. So yeah. You unravel me with a melody. You surround me with a song of deliverance from my enemies, till all my fears have gone. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. From my mother's womb, you have chosen me. Love has called my name. I've been born again to a family. Your blood flows through my veins. I'm no longer a slave to fear. Okay, so as you can see, my thing is stopped and I can't wait no longer. Rain down on it twice. Rain down on it twice. You for me, it will be forever. It's gonna be forever. Now you got this here. I got this on here. Then I'm gonna like pour it in my hand or my face. So Make sure your hands are clean before you put your hands on your face. But my hands are clean, so just massage it in. Just massage it in. Just massage it in. Period. So since that done now, we don't use a full face, so we're gonna say it. So so since I got my mask and I put my mask on my face, it's looking well moisturized right now. I can't do it lift the phone because here we go. So what I'm gonna use on my face is I'm gonna use the hyaluronic acid, but first I put my vitamin C at the bottom. My face is looking well moisturized already. There's one little squeeze, the hyaluronic acid serum, and then I'm gonna go in with my retinol serum in my hands here. Oops. Just like mix it up. It's really thick and it dries too. Moist, put it on your face. It's gonna dry so quick. It's gonna dry out your face. That's why after you use the serum, you use your moisturizer. So after using serum, you use a moisturizer, because serum, no care how much you use, it gets dry. And when it gets dry, baby, you need to use a moisturizer. Retinol cream. Then I'm gonna show you up close. I'm gonna show you how it comes out. Just pump and pump the amount that you want, but I guess I need a little bit more, so I'm gonna do a little more. Then you just wipe it off with your finger and the other finger behind and another finger behind, so that you don't leave anything about at the top. So it's well clean and off. So let's tell you, face like pretty dry now, so I'm gonna use this on some part of my face that needs some moisturize and less on some part of my face. So I just rub it in on my fingers, wipe it in my eye, my chin, my forehead, and then my neck. Okay. Yeah. As I said before, my nose is oily, so I use just a little bit on my nose too. But okay. Then my forehead, don't forget it. Okay, so my eyes. That's everything on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a lip gloss. So I'll be back. So I got my lip gloss here, which is LA Colors, and I've been using this for like actually a year now. Not a year, but I use it for like a while now. So I just use a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. So I try to dry the bristles off. I see. Not too much, right? Not too much on the face, baby. Not too much on the face. So I'll go ahead and put my oil on, but I'll be back. So yeah. So this is my oil, my own homemade oil, and yeah. So y'all gonna see the big reveal on this bonnet here. Oh my god. It's a disaster. So yeah, so I just wrap this here up because baby girl, like when I sleep, I can't sleep because me do this type of hair, fox locks or whatever, because y'all, this hair is so, I don't know what to say, but I have to wash my hair before, then I have to leave it to air dry, and then the other day I have to do it. So yeah. So this is the hair, and this is how long it is, reach my ass, and I'm pretty tall. Reach my ass. Yeah, it's pretty long. So flipping long, y'all. And this is my oil here, as I showed y'all before. What about should I say now? Oh yeah, if you put it in here, you can just like, you don't have to oil it here. Shit, I don't know what I'm saying. The tip on growing my hair is that I moisturize my hair. I don't oil my hair every day. When I oil my hair with this on, my hair don't itch. Doesn't itch at all. Yeah. I put this oil my hair, it doesn't itch, like really itch. So that's what I noticed with my own homemade oils, is that it agrees with my hair. My hair loves my own homemade oils that I'm buying oils out in the store, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.